Welcome to today's video where we explore the challenging journey to earning your first $100,000 and how it lays the foundation for future financial success. Drawing insights from financial experts and seasoned entrepreneurs, we uncover why the initial $100,000 is often considered the hardest to earn, and how overcoming this hurdle can significantly elevate your earning potential and business acumen. Be sure to hit subscribe, and let's get into the key topics that will be sure to resonate with you and your journey of financial acuity. Topic number 1. Understanding the $100,000 milestone. The first $100,000 is a significant psychological and financial milestone for many entrepreneurs. This segment not only marks a crucial point in one's financial journey, but also sets the stage for future growth. When aiming for $100,000, individuals often limit themselves to opportunities directly proportional to their time investment, commonly seen in time-for-money ventures like freelancing or consulting. This constraint can make scaling income more challenging. To move beyond this initial stage, a shift in thinking is necessary. Instead of focusing solely on small incremental earnings, aspiring entrepreneurs must explore scalable business models and passive income streams that can lead to substantial financial growth. The focus on earning through direct labor sets a cap on potential income due to the finite nature of time. As such, the first $100,000 earned this way feels particularly arduous, but serves as an essential learning curve in wealth building. Consider a freelance graphic designer who charges $50 per hour and works 40 hours a week. Despite full utilization of their available time, the ceiling on earnings becomes apparent when considering taxes, downtime, and unpaid operational tasks. Shifting from a freelance model to creating a digital course on graphic design that sells for $200 can exemplify scalable income. Once created, the course can be sold repeatedly without additional time investment, breaking the direct time-for-income barrier. For more insight, this shift exemplifies how moving from linear income generation, direct labor, to a scalable model, product sales, can significantly increase earning potential while reducing the dependency on continuous labor. Topic number 2. Leveraging your first $100,000. Once the initial $100,000 is secured, it opens up new avenues for investment and further income generation. This part of the journey is about leveraging your initial earnings to facilitate exponential growth. With $100,000 in the bank, entrepreneurs can start investing in systems, technology, and human resources, which can multiply the effects of their efforts far beyond what individual labor could achieve. This capital allows for the exploration of leverage through hiring, advertisements, and potentially outsourcing lower-value tasks, which in turn frees up time to focus on high-value activities that significantly boost income potential. The reinvestment of initial earnings into business infrastructure can lead to improved efficiency and higher returns, illustrating the practical benefits of financial leverage in business operations. An online store owner might use part of the $100,000 to integrate automated inventory management software and hire a virtual assistant. These investments reduce daily operational tasks, allowing the owner to focus on marketing and new product development. The same online store owner could invest in targeted Facebook ads, which brings in sales beyond the immediate network and requires minimal ongoing effort compared to physical networking or traditional advertising. Topic number 3. The psychological impact of achieving $100,000. Reaching this financial milestone can have a profound effect on an entrepreneur's confidence and future business strategies. Achieving this goal provides a psychological safety net, making it easier to take calculated risks, which are often necessary for substantial business growth. Earning the first $100,000 helps entrepreneurs break free from limiting beliefs about money and understand the mechanics of wealth creation on a deeper level. The confidence gained from this achievement fosters a more aggressive approach to business opportunities, with a better understanding of risk management and investment strategies. A tech startup founder who secures an initial $100,000 through seed funding experiences a boost in confidence, enabling more willingness to explore risky but high-potential market opportunities. Achieving this milestone after several years of marginal freelancing incomes can dramatically shift one's view from surviving to thriving, opening up avenues for bolder business ventures or investments. Suffice it to say, this newfound confidence and financial backing allow the entrepreneur to transition from minor tweaks to existing products to the development of entirely new lines, potentially multiplying revenue sources. Earning your first $100,000 is a challenging but essential step for any entrepreneur. It teaches invaluable lessons about the value of time, the importance of scalability, and the benefits of financial leverage. By understanding and overcoming the initial challenges associated with earning this sum, entrepreneurs can set themselves up for continued success and potentially limitless financial growth. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your experiences or strategies related to earning your first significant income milestone. Stay tuned for more insights that help you build and scale your financial endeavors effectively.